Here what to do. Today we're going to go hiking in the mountains. We're going to go climb the tallest mountain in Thailand. We're going to hang out there for a day. We're going to stop by all the little attractions on the way, and we're going to just chill all day, man. We got plenty of time. We just got started. We got plenty of time, so kick it with me. We're going to be chilling all day, taking footage as we always do. Cue what to do. Stay tuned.
Looking up there at them mountains, I've seen a lot of clouds up there. Interesting facts about these mountains and these clouds. And some of them are not clouds. Some of it is smoke. At the end of growing season, right before raining season, the farmers normally burn the fields. So that fills the air up with smoke. And the smoke gathers around the top of these mountains and just kind of slushes around until rainy season get rid of it. So now I think about that, it's gonna be really smoky. You know, I went to Tennessee last year and I hiked the Smoky Mountain Ranges, but that's just the name of that mountain range because of the actual clouds. But this is really a Smoky Mountain range. Let's hope I can breathe up there, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're gonna check it out, man. We pulling up on there. We still got about an hour left on this drive. Pulling up in no time. Look at that. Real nice. Nice, green, and luscious. Let's get it. Look like we getting some elevation. We're starting to ascend. Yep, we sure are. Let's see what's going on around here. This is it, Doi Inthanon National Park. Swaddy Cop. The mountain.
Where are you going?
To the mountain, Doi Inthanon.
1 kilometer by ticket.
Just keep straight. Okay, cop. Okay, so we had to buy a ticket, which was 330 baht for one adult and a car. He said there are 2 trailheads. Speaking of trails, he said there are 2 trailheads, and each trail is about 2 hours. So for me, it's probably gonna be 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is gonna be a total of about 5 hours out here, which is cool. Lots of twists and turns. I wish I was on a motorcycle. This would be fun. I would probably drive fast then. I'd probably fly. I really like the mountains out here, man. Now, I tried to get some people to come with me, but everybody was hesitating. And it's cool. Like I said, this trip really wasn't that long. I think I filled up like twice. So 2,000 baht. But I think the total elevation is 8,000 kilometers. I don't know what the conversion is in feet. 8,000 kilometers. Okay, we got some stuff here. What's this? We got some religious stuff here. We got some little markets. They got some coconuts and such. I don't need that right now.
Wachirathan Waterfall. See that? Pretty nice. I'm gonna go good with you. I don't mind the people because I know they're temporary. They never last long. They just come take pictures and leave. For me, I hang around all day. Look at that. Nice water. You know what I noticed, man? Ever since I started YouTubing, I'm picking up more and more tips and hints. Uh, I noticed you never want to move too fast with your camera because you don't want to get a shaky image. So you want to keep that as smooth as you can. Now, sometimes you're going to shake. You can't help that. You're going to shake. But what I try to do is normally edit those out. Well, look at this footing. Look at the footing in these rocks here. And they got that moss on it, so I don't know if it's going to be slippery or not. Let me see. Somewhat slippery. Not very slippery. But we still going to take our time, man. Take our time, do it right, do it, baby. Do it tonight. See what we got here. See what it do. I always take the road less traveled. I don't know why I do that. I've been like that all my life, man. If I see a group of people going one way, see what it do. I always go the other way. Look at that though. What up though? Oh yeah, that's nice and clear. Don't forget I got my DSLR camera on me too, so we're gonna get some good footage of that too. Might not need it though, man. This iPhone is pretty dope. Man, I'm walking y'all boy. Oh, don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes like you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. What y'all know about that TLC, man? Speaking of, y'all make sure y'all wearing protection out there. I always wear protection when having sex. And don't eat no strange vagina. Understand the risk you're taking by eating that strange vagina. Wear condoms. Look into there's a preventative medicine called Travado. All right, that prevents HIV. I don't know how true it is, but it's always worth a shot. Let me see these guys want a picture. Ooh. Hello. Let me take a picture for you. Take a picture for you. I got you. Beautiful place, isn't it? You want a picture or a video? Picture. Make you want to jump in, huh? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Yeah, oh, I got my mic on, man. Y'all can still hear me right. That's what it do. Yeah, like I said, whenever I roll slow because I already know the tourists and stuff, they only gonna come look at it for a few seconds and then walk off. Me, I set up camp, man. I set up shop, man. See what it do. You know what I mean? I like to set up shop, man. I be in it, boy. This is so nice, man. You know what I'm saying? Nature, bro. It's pretty dope. I got a rainbow going over here. All right, so what we got? This is the Wachirathan Waterfall. Okay, it's the most famous and spectacular waterfall in Doi Inthanon National Park, which is this mountain range that we're in. Um, the height is about 80 meters. From the top down to the bottom, it's about 80 meters. During raining season, which is now, the water flow is particularly strong. And which I was telling you, when I was coming up here, I could feel the wind pushing me off this thing. A lot of power. And we got rainbows, as I was telling you. Maybe I can get it, but it's a real faint rainbow. Maybe I can get it on camera. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, yeah, the best time is between May and October, which is right now. So we here, man. Q What It Do brought you here at the best time. Slippery. It is slippery. Remember, we were talking about the moss that's on the rocks. So that's why we're moving slow today. Photography, morning or late afternoon is ideal time for photography. Okay. Uh, we got other nature trails and waterfalls that we're going to go to. All right, so stay tuned, man. See what it do. I'm bringing y'all the exclusive content, man. I'm the nature guy. I've been doing this since like 2014. And if you count my military career, I've been doing this since 2006. So I've been doing this for a while, man. This is nothing. See what it do. We just like to compose it. Yeah, the sun coming out. I don't know if you can see that rainbow right there. It's a rainbow there. I don't know if you can see it though. The sun coming out. Let's check the view up here with the new rising sun. And there it is. Let me see if I can get it out. I'm gonna shoot the shit out the waterfall. Can't say Q What It Do ain't a shooter. You can't say Q What It Do ain't a. You know what I'm talking about? We got water. Water on water on water, baby. Drip on drip, baby. Take a trip. Q What It Do. Make it do what it do. Hey. Q What It Do. Pretty good. I had a hotel room. I had a real soft bed. Uh, yeah, I slept good. I woke up about 6 o'clock. I don't know. I'm recording footage. I'm updating my YouTube every day. I got to get on these boys, man. I can't let them win. They can win, but I want to win too, though. You know what I mean? Everybody, I want to have a whole bunch of videos. You gonna be on YouTube? You gonna be on YouTube, baby? You see my microphone? Yeah, doing it.
yelling at me the whole fucking time, acting crazy. So I don't want to have a tour guide. I'd rather go by myself. Maybe they don't like black people shit, I don't know. Yeah, so basically here we are at the peak. Oh, we got some officers coming out. Yeah, I mean, I don't know where the trailhead begins. I'm assuming it's this way. Let's check it out. I don't know. Let me see here, man. I don't think it is a trailhead around here. Like, you know, food is like a hike, man. Let's see. It's the restroom over here, toilet. I don't know if it's no trailhead. They say it's a trailhead in here. It look like that's going back to somebody's. Ooh. And that's it right there. We finna go up in here. That's the peak. Let's check it out. The Pan Nature Trail. No pets allowed. Food not allowed. Keep quiet. Let's do. They say this is a short walk, so it shouldn't be too long. Okay, let's check it out, man. Okay, so this is the head, a restaurant or whatever. Let's see. Like it might be raining up there. Ooh. AEDs in case somebody have a heart attack. Bring you back to life. Of course, there's a service fee. I have my wallet on me. Maybe they take scan. Somebody got. Maybe they accept scan. 200 baht service fee. Anyway, we up so high. The air is thin, so it's a little hard to breathe. So we gotta go slow, very slow. Midnight.
You go after you scan the supermarket pin.
Okay. Thank you, Kapong Kap.
Only one name.
Just one. This way? It's this way. All right. So we're gonna go. So there we go. So we might find some goats, wildflowers, waterfalls, trees that you might have to climb over. And accepting responsibility. Okay, let's check it out. It might rain. That's okay. If it rains, I'll come back. All right. Let's go. And we're on the way. So I have a guide that's going to assist me up, which is good because the air is very thin down here. So I want to make sure that I don't pass out or nothing bad happens. Swadikap. Yeah, cute what it do, man. I'm doing this hike, trying to do it at my own pace so I can enjoy it more. But I have to have a guide. I think he's going to stop so I can read the signs here. This is the first point. Look like it's pointing out the tall trees. So these tall trees is a point. Let's keep going. Okay. Hey. Already huffing and puffing. Looks like we're coming up on a waterfall, or passing near a waterfall. I think the trailhead is going to wrap that way. Man, so it's wet. It's always raining up here in the forest. Always raining. Nice and cool. It's not very hot. So, let's watch our steps here. These stairs. Got a little mud action going on. This is a hike, buddy. I got a river down there. See the river flow? Be like water, my friend. And we're still going up. I think the total elevation for this mountain is 8,600 kilometers. So it's pretty high up. The air is thin. So my breathing is getting very heavy. My heart rate is about 140. So heart is pumping strong because the air is thin. Oh shit, we're gonna take a shortcut. Skip those steps. All right, here's a little viewpoint right here. I might take a picture of the waterfall, man. Check out this waterfall. Check out our waterfall here. Let's get the information on it. Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the mother has visited Doi Inthanon National Park 9 times and initiated many community projects regarding watershed biodiversity conservation. The Queen visited the waterfall on January 26, 1999, after which the waterfall was named the Queen Visit. So check it out. That's the Queen Visit right there from 1999. Be like water, my friend. I don't know, the legendary Bruce Lee say always be like water. Y'all don't know the legendary Bruce Lee? He say be like water. But that means I always flow, always move, never stand stagnant. You know what I'm saying? That's nice. Let's go. We'll keep pushing. Still out here rolling, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, you know, sometimes it's good to get out in nature. Get away from the city, get away from the fast life. Get out in nature where it's nice and quiet. You can hear yourself think, you know. And once you're around nature's beauty, you feel the power of it everywhere. It's just in the air. I love it. Even though I'm a little bit heavier, I still really enjoy doing these nature walks because it's peaceful. Even though it's raining, it's still good. So stay tuned. We're gonna get to the top of it and see what happens. See what it do. It's like water under a bridge. Let it go. We're moving slow like a creek. Let me see. This is the watershed forest. So this waterfall right here, or this river, is made of fog. Like I said, the clouds are so condensed up this high that there's a lot of precipitation. And what they're saying is that river, it runs all year round, fed solely off of the fog in the air, the moisture in the air. And in May, June, July, and August is the raining season. So it's always wet. It's always wet. Now I don't have a raincoat, but I have a dry fit shirt that'll dry as soon as I get back down to normal elevation. So I'm not really worried about it. And it's not very hot. It's nice and cool. So whew, we have that. Yeah, we're up high. Here's another partial rest point. If you want to take a break. Listen, whew, I thought I could do this. I realized 2016, when I hiked Pikes Peak, is goddamn 10 years ago, man. I'm not in the same condition as I was in 10 years ago. It's a little bit more challenging. Whew, we're gonna keep pushing though. I got health insurance, so if something happens, yeah, my health and care is taken care of. And I have a guide. So look at these steps right here. These are nice. I think that means be quiet. We're still going up higher and higher. Look at this. Very nice. Looking for any monkeys. It's the moss that's growing on the side of the tree. And it's probably there all year round. All the way to the top. Check this out. So nice. I think this place might be sacred because a tour guide is giving praises. It is beautiful.